and its accessories out of the box and place the unit on a flat table. Turn the unit around with its rear panel towards you, connect the power supply to the milk analyzer and plug it into the electrical outlet. Connect the flushing tube into the red nozzle. Press the tube in and make sure that it is securely connected. Insert the two black connectors into their matching sockets on both sides of the red nozzle. These cannot be connected incorrectly because they can only fit into their matched pair sockets. Fill the flushing solution container with demineralized water. If you don't have such, you may use tap water instead. Measure 50 milliliters from the concentrated Milkoscope flushing detergent. Pour it in the container and mix it. Place the white sensor with the built-in electrodes in the opening and the cover of the flush solution container. Connect the wastewater tube to the nozzle in the front panel of the milk analyzer right below the sample shelf. Insert the other end of the waste tube into a 5 or 10 liter container where the waste will be collected after samples are measured. Turning on the instrument. Press the green lid on and off button. The button's light will change to orange and the milk analyzer will turn on. Setting the time and date. Press the settings button located in the upper left corner of the display. Press once the clock settings button and set the correct time and date with the up and down arrow buttons. Then press enter. When ready, press main menu to return to the previous screen. In order to see the different types of milk and milk products for which the unit can be calibrated, press once Calibrations and enter a password. The factory set password of your unit is 6 times the digit 1. You will be taken to the screen where you will see listed all products can be calibrated to analyze. It's worth noting that after calibration the unit can analyze cream and ice cream mixtures without having to water down the products. The unit can be calibrated for up to 3 products at a time. If you want to switch between already existing calibrations, press once enter and the display will list the 3 existing calibration banks. Use the up and down arrow buttons to select a calibration and press enter to confirm. Performing an analysis. Stir up the sample by pouring it in and out between 2 cups. Raise the intake tube and place the product sample under it. Press once the orange button Start located in the lower right corner of the screen. After this, the unit will take 10 milliliters of sample material and the analysis will begin. After about 60 seconds, the measured results will be listed on the display. These values will also be printed out if you have purchased the printer we offer, which is an optional accessory. If Julie X is connected to a computer via USB, the measured results will also be memorized by the included software. After completing the current analysis, the milk analyzer is ready for another one. If you press the History button located in the upper left part, the display will show the results of the last 10 performed analyses. Washing. If the milk analyzer remains unused for more than 15 minutes, please make sure to carry out the flushing procedure at least once. It is very easy to do. You only need to press once the button with the blue water drop located in the lower left part of the display. After you have finished using the milk analyzer, it is enough that you perform 3 flushing procedures the same way we just described, and your unit will be always clean and ready for work thanks to the specialized Milkoscope flushing detergent. If the liquid in the container runs out, you will be notified by a warning message that will appear on the display, and the sensor located on the cover of the container will start to blink in red. Note that none of the functions of the display will be active until you refill the container with flushing solution. When you refill the container with flushing solution and place back the sensor in its place, the red light will stop blinking and the warning message will disappear. Along with this, all display functions will return back to being active.